Welcome to Daily Commitment, where we do just a little bit of exercise every day, just a little bit every day. But then we increase the exercise very, very slowly. And we have a lot of fun while we're doing it. That's a lot of the important points. We use the Let's Go strategy. So let's go, do it every day. Popularized by Bookie Cuss. Thank you, Bookie Cuss. Anybody else who comments is automatically part of the Let's Go team. Here we go, guys. We got us a bar, about 17, a little over 17 pounds, 17 and a half. We got our weight vest, a little over 42 pounds. So we're calling it 60. It's pretty close to 60. Probably a third of a pound less. But anyway, we're going to be doing some squatsies. So we'll do squats, and then like we talked about yesterday, we're not going to use the push-up exercise to do the cardio. We'll probably do some unweighted squats for our cardio afterwards. And if the squats are feeling weak, we'll just do jumping jacks like we did last time. But let's get those feet in a pretty good position, right? That's about shoulder width apart. We got the bar, so we'll put that kind of center it on our shoulders back here. All right, there we go. That looks pretty good. All right. So knees are going to angle out just slightly, not too much, not too little. We're just going to kind of feel it when we come down to feel it feels right. Let's keep that head straight. I feel like maybe, I don't know if they're out too much or not, but they still feel a little bit weird coming down. But let's see. Let's do the first squat. Let's keep that head tucked. All right, here we go. One. It was pretty good. The feet position was pretty good. I stretched my left out just a little bit as I came up. Here we go. Let's come down. Keep it even. All right, here we go. 2. That was pretty good, guys. Pretty good for 2. Let's try 3 right here. All the way down. All right. Let's go all the way up. Keep over that midfoot. We don't want to use too much back here, lean too far forward or rock or anything. So that's 3. All right. All the way down. 4. All right. I feel like we're stretching a little bit at the top. Here we go. All the way down. 5. I feel like I could come down a little slower. It'd be a little better exercise there. Let's come down a little slower here. All right. There we go. All right, 6. Definitely feeling my right hip. And let's go 7. All the way down. 7. All right, feel pretty good, feel pretty good. Let's keep going. Let's come all the way down. 8. I think our max is like 12 on this right now. I don't know if we want to do our max today. Let's see how we feel. All the way down. 9. So one of the things we used to do was the 60%, 80% thing. So in a way, we're going to do that again. So that's 80% of our max. This is this staggered thing where you don't push it all the way to your max every day. And you alternate between 60 and 80%, and then you push a new max. I used to do it all the time. I don't know if you go back like 20 or 30 or 40 videos, you'll see the older daily commitments. And before that, I did something else. So we're going to do it on purpose. I'm not trying to push all the way to that 12. I'm already a little cardio burned out, but I want to finish off the rest of the cardio. So let's do some unweighted squats here. Let's come all the way down. Make sure the head stays tucked. Let's come all the way up. And let's just do these, guys. And we're going to tire ourselves out with these, just to really get our heart rate up for sort of an extended period. Right, so now we're getting our heart rate up for that extended period. We're also kind of stretching out our muscles. It's a really great stretch up here. You get that full range of motion with your arms, which is nice, all the way up like this. And you get the exciting fun clap at the end. But do whatever you want to do to tire yourself out. The idea is when you're doing something like this, it's got to be something that's not super duper tough on you. And we've been doing squats for so long that these unweighted squats, the unweighted squats were not messing up our squatting exercises. But when I was doing the unweighted push-ups every day as part of the burpees and stuff we were doing, I was having trouble on push-up day. So I think we're actually going to grow more by doing less work. And we're just going to cut out the push-up part of the burpee right now, and I'm just going to do this to get the cardio burned out, and that'll be fine. So anyway, it's a pretty good pace, right? This is, you know, you're doing this. What's great about this kind of exercise for cardio is you're not getting any impact. And that's something a lot of people don't appreciate. It really makes a big difference. Plus these are all your muscles, you're training them to work together to come up in a chain. And the arm thing is a lot of fun. Anyway, I'm definitely feeling like we've probably done enough here. And remember, we just did the 9 weighted squats too. So it's a pretty big squat day already. So I think we're pretty good. Even though our cardio still feels like it's going okay, I'm not exhausted as I usually am in the cardio. So maybe cardio is actually improving. Anyway, guys, keep it up. A little bit of exercise every day really does add up to a lot. Increase slowly, guys. Make it a habit before you make it hard, bro. Hit the magical subscribe button up there if you want to make it a habit, and then go down, hit the bell button, choose all. This crazy guy's going to be on there every day with a little reminder. Anyway, see you guys next time. Have a great one. Good luck with your daily commitments.